What's the difference between silver and gold?
So, which one is more valuable?
How are they made?
Tajh, the science girl. Tajh, the science girl.
Science.
Tajh, the science girl.
There are so many precious things on Earth made up of cool elements. Gold and silver happen to be two of them. Now, let me tell you why. Starting off with silver. Silver has an atomic number of 47 and has the element labeled Ag. Silver is also an unreactive metal because it is filled with 40 shells that are not very effective in shooting the electrostatic forces of attraction from the nucleus to the 5 electrons. Silver is also mined in China, Peru, Poland, Chile, Siberia, Bolivia, Mexico, and Australia. Most silver is produced as a byproduct of copper, gold, zinc refining, and lead. Now, we're going to move on to gold. Gold is a transition metal and is in the group of 11 elements. Gold is actually found on every continent except for Antarctica. The largest amounts are found in the oceans. They're just not feasible to extract yet from salt water. Since we've been talking about gold and silver, now let's do an experiment.
For this experiment, all you need is some rusted gold and some rusted silver, a tablespoon, and then I have a measurement of 1/4, but you will measure the white vinegar with 1/2 cup, so you have 2 cups of white vinegar with 1/4, because that would make 2/4 would make 1/2 cup. Then you will need some aluminum foil, white vinegar, and baking soda. And you could use a bowl, but I am using a pan. So I am going to take the foil and I'm going to measure my pan. I'm going to cover my whole pan in foil. Now I'm going to take my boiling water. I'm going to take my boiling water and I am going to pour it in the pan. Yes. The boiling water will speed up the chemical process. Now I am going to take 1/2 cup of white vinegar and pour it with the boiling water. I want to let you all know that this thing smells, okay? I just want to let everyone know that in class, that this smells. Now I'm going to take a long time to open baking soda, apparently. Now I am going to take a tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm going to have my rusted gold first. I want to show you it first. Can everyone see that? Sit at the bottom, and it's gold right here, so you can tell. So now I'm going to put my baking soda in there, and it's bubbling. And now I'm going to put the gold in there. And we're going to let that sit in there for about 15 minutes. And we're going to see what happens when these elements touch the gold.
A few moments later.
So it has been 15 minutes. So now let's take it out the solution. So from what I see, let's put it in the light. From what I see, it has actually, oh my gosh, it has actually repaired some of the gold. So it's not as rusted as it was before. It is still rusted, but it's not as rusted as it was before. So this solution has worked. It has worked. So now I believe we should try it on the silver, the rusted silver. To turn on the water again, and we're going to repeat the same steps as we did before because we want to start off fresh and not from the old solution. We want to start from a new solution every single time we experiment with anything. So yeah, we're going to start again.
A few moments later.
So it has been 15 minutes, and now we're going to take it out of the solution. Now let's see our results. Ding, 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 ding. Let's push this back because it's in our way. Now we're going to see the results because it was rusted inside. Wow, that is freaking amazing. Okay, so basically this solution seems like it worked most on the silver, for sure. Maybe it would have worked more on the gold if I have left it in the solution longer. But right now it is saying that basically the silver reacted more to the solution than the gold.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video about gold and silver. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned some cool things about gold and silver as well. Please read the description box below to find out where I got all my information from. Bye. Gold and silver, gold and silver, yeah, gold and silver, gold and silver, yeah, silver, a chemical element with the symbol Ag, also an unreactive metal too. Its 4D shell mostly produced as a byproduct of gold, yet it's never loose. Lead and zinc is also an example. Refining mined heavily in Peru and Australia, plus many, many more. Yeah, rocks and soil are the carriers. So now you know the facts when your favorite rapper's wearing them. Gold on every continent except for Antarctica. It's so cold. What's really on that continent? The largest amounts are found in the sea. The only thing it's hard to extract, can't you see? Now let's talk about where it's found. Canada, South Africa, Peru, and China, and a little bit more. Let's go on now. Which one is the best? Oh, you already know. It's gold, the rarest. Let's put on the show. Gold and silver. Gold and silver. Yeah, gold and silver. Gold and silver. Yeah.